Kumain ka.
Start. Pour enough oil into the pan. Put the chicken in the pan and fry until golden brown. Add whole garlic and fry. First, let the chicken absorb the garlic flavor. When the garlic is cooked to some extent, add soy sauce and oyster sauce. If you want it salty, add more soy sauce and oyster sauce. You might die quickly. Haha. When the sauce is slightly boiled and it is a little burnt, add the flat cola that you have left over. You don't have to wait until it is flat. New cola is fine.
Boil it. Boil it. Boil it.
Flipping it back and forth. Stir fry it on low heat until the sauce is completely reduced. Finally, sprinkle the chopped chili peppers to add a spicy and crunchy. Parsley, chopped onions are also good. 102.85 pesos is enough for one meal.